Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add the payment method on Lyft. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest and step by step process to add the payment method on a Lyft, so you can easily pay the amount to the rider. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Lyft application on a mobile device, and before that make sure you will be logged in that. If you don't know how to log in and all, I made one video on that, go and check it. I given step by step process in that how to log in and all. So now you can see here I already open my Lyft application on my mobile device. Now you can see at the down two icons are there as a rides and trips, and at the top and the left side corner three horizontal line is there, so tap on that line. So inside that you can see here one payment is there, so click on that payment. So inside that you can see the one option is there as add payment method, so click on that option. So inside that you can see here one option at the top, one credit or debit card, so click on that, and you have to give detail about your card and all. After giving that you can see here one save option is there, so click on that save option. In this way you can add the credit and debit card and all. So if you want to add your PayPal, you can add from here. It will be asking about detail about the PayPal, and that save as like a credit and debit card how I told. So you have to do that process for that, and you can add also cash whatever you want. So and one method is there, one as add Lyft pass. If you have any Lyft pass and all, you can add the code for that. You can add your code and you can your pass and all. So in this way you can add the payment method and all. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you guys on a next video.